Today we're with Agri spray drones, introducing the DJI FlyCart30. Based off the principles of the very reliable Agri T40, the DJI FlyCart30 is the world's first heavy lift delivery drone widely available on the market, and it's coming to the US. Check out the link in the description for more details and watch the video.
Delivery to remote locations has always been difficult, inefficient, and perilous. Today, we bring you a brand new possibility. Introducing DJI FlyCart30, an aerial delivery drone. FlyCart30 is designed for efficient cargo transportation, carrying a max payload of 30 kilograms with dual batteries, a delivery range of 16 kilometers, and a max speed of 20 meters per second. Delivery is now simple and efficient, no longer restricted by physical geography. FlyCart withstands extreme situations and handles difficult operations, allowing you to confidently deliver to harsh environments. It supports two payload configurations, cargo mode and winch mode, to meet varying delivery needs. Its spacious cargo case weighs the payload during the loading process to prevent overloading and ensure flight safety. Switch to the winch system if the drone's intended delivery destination does not have a safe landing site. Once the drone arrives at the destination, select the drop point with AR projection. A single tap automatically lowers the payload. When the payload touches down, the winch system releases and retracts for accurate, non-contact delivery. The winch system intelligently senses the payload and adjusts attitude quickly to counteract swinging. Even for long-range tasks, FlyCart30 is more than capable. The 20-kilometer DJI O3 transmission, coupled with 4G enhanced transmission and an FPV gimbal camera, ensure clear and stable live feeds under various operational scenarios. FlyCart30 also supports dual operator mode for one drone. Pilots in two different locations can transfer control of the drone with a single tap, extending the operating range even further. The aircraft is equipped with front and rear active phased array radars and a dual binocular vision system designed to accurately sense terrain with multi-directional obstacle sensing in various weather conditions, day or night. Its dual battery system features multi-layered redundancy, hot swapping, and quick dual battery charging in parallel to enable continuous operations. In extreme scenarios, the integrated parachute will automatically deploy, reducing the risk of personnel injury and property damage. The DJI Pilot 2 app introduces brand new functions for delivery control. The app lets users configure alternative landing sites and record flight routes, enabling automatic repeat flights for improved safety and efficiency. The newly launched cloud platform DJI Delivery Hub offers a 2.5D base map and facilitates efficient operation planning, full operation status monitoring, and centralized team resource management. FlyCart30 provides a comprehensive airborne delivery solution that is straightforward, efficient, and safe. Fly over mountains, valleys, and rivers, and ascend into a new era of aerial delivery.